Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about outer glow. So let's go to Photoshop and I'm going to turn off all these effects. Okay, and then we'll click on FX here. Go to outer glow. And so you can see here, if I adjust the spread, let's put this on to normal, and then the screen, we'll do precise, adjust the range and that, and let's see if I can. Let's do the spread. I'll hit OK, and there you go. That is outer glow. Now I don't see. It's not really showing much, but let me just see what it's doing here. Okay. I mean, this is a style that you could save, so you could call this outer glow effect and then save it to the styles panel. Hit OK. I'm going to hit Control S to save, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.